Hello and welcome to the daily number workout. Today for fourth grade, we're on number 36. So let's go ahead and get started with our word form. So you should have everything written down already. Hopefully you did your work ahead of time. So you're just checking to see how you did. So here we go, 36, THIRTY, 6. And since there is a 6 in the ones place value, it is even. All right, let's go for factors. That is two numbers multiplied together to make 36. So we know 1 times 36, 2 times 18, 3 times 12, 4 times 9, and 6 times 6. Woo, that's a lot. I should have spread it out a little bit better, huh? All right, you never know. All right, so lots of factor pairs. Looks like there's 9, since 6 and 6 are the same number. 9 factors. 9 factors to 36. So that's a lot. Let's go on to doing our multiples of 36. So if we're counting by 36, so we're just multiplying 36 by all the numbers. So let's start off. 136 is 36. And we're going to start multiplying. We want 2 36s. So 2 times 6 is 12. We drop the 2, carry the 1. 2 times 3 is 6 plus 1 is 72. So 2 36s is 72. All right, 36 times 3. 3 times 6 is 18. Drop the 8, carry the 1. 3 times 3 is 9, plus 1 is 10. So we have 108. Now, I want you to look at the patterns happening because of the number 9 here. And I'm just going to put a little mark around that. So since there's a factor of 9 and 36, every number needs to add up. The digits need to add up to 9. So 36, 3 plus 6 is 9. 7 plus 2 is 9. 1 plus 0 plus 8 is 9. Just notice those patterns that help you say, oh, this is definitely correct, or oh, this must be wrong. 4 times 6 is 24. We drop the 4, carry the 2. 4 times 3 is 12, plus 2 is 14. So we have 144. And I think we've come across this before. So just write the word gross underneath it. Because in manufacturing, they might package things in a gross. So Kroger's might order Fruit Loops in gross. That means it will come 144 in a giant box. 144 boxes in a giant box. All right, here we go. 36 times 5. 5 times 6 is 30. Drop the 0, carry the 3. 5 times 3 is 15, plus 3 is 18. So we have 180. Again, equals 9. Let's do 6 36s. 6 times 6 is 36. Drop the 6, carry the 3. 6 times 3 is 18, plus 3 is 21. Add them up. Does it add up to 9? Sure does. Let's do 7. 7 times 6 is 42. We drop the 2, carry the 4. 7 times 3 is 21, plus 4 is 25. Does it add up to 9? Sure does. 36 times 8. 8 times 6 is 48. Drop the 8, carry the 4. 8 times 3 is 24, plus 4 is 28. All right, now it's getting tricky. Does it add up to 9? Well, 2 plus 8 is 10, plus 8 is 18, and then 1 plus 8 is 9. 36 times 9. 9 times 6 is 54. We drop the 4 and carry the 5. 9 times 3 is 27, plus 5 is 32. And you'll need to add those up. And of course, the last one, 36 times 10. We drop the 0 to hold that place. 1 times 6 is 6. 1 times 3 is 3. 360. And of course, that adds up to 9. All right, you're looking good. Let's move on to addition. So I'm going to move the paper up. We're stacking now. All our problems makes it pretty easy. So let's do 36 plus 1. 6 plus 1 is 7. 3 plus nothing is 3. 36 plus 2. 6 plus 2 is 8. 3 plus nothing is 3. 36 plus 3. 6 plus 3 is 9. 3 plus nothing is 3. 39. 36 plus 4. 6 plus 4 is 10. Drop the 0, carry the 1. 1 plus 3 is 4. 36 plus 5. 6 plus 5 is 11. Drop the 1, carry the 1. 1 plus 3 is 4. 36 plus 6. 6 plus 6 is 12. Drop the 2, carry the 1. 1 plus 3 is 4. 36 plus 7. 6 plus 7 is 13. Carry the 1. 1 plus 3 is 4. 43. 36 plus 8. 6 plus 8 is 14. Drop the 4, carry the 1. 1 plus 3 is 4. 36 plus 9. 6 plus 9 is 15. Drop the 5, carry the 1. 1 plus 3 is 4. And last but not least, 36 plus 10. 6 plus 0 is 6. 3 plus 1 is 4. And we can check our work because they should all be in order. Boom. So important to go through the addition process and not just write the number down. Don't be quick about it like that. You want to get your brain working so we remember all our addition facts. All right, let's move on to subtraction. Moving it right on up. Subtraction. All righty. And you're just checking. Hopefully you did all this before I even started my video. And now you're just checking your work. Okay, 36. I'll X-nay that, silly me. 46. I did it again. I do this every time, don't I? Minus 36. 46 minus 36. I'm going to move this up a little bit. 6 minus 6 is 0. 4 minus 3 is 10. Then 45 minus 36. Here's where it's tricky. We can't take 6 away from 5, so we borrow from the 4, leaving 3, making that 15. 15 minus 6 is 9. 3 minus 3, nothing. 44 minus 36. We can't take 6 from 4, so we borrow from the 4, leaving 3, making that 14. 14 minus 6 is 8. 43 minus 36 is next. Can't take 6 from 3, so we borrow from the 4, leaving 3, making that 13. 13 minus 6 is 7. 3 minus 3, nothing. 42 minus 36. Can't take 6 from 2, borrow from the 4, leaving 3, make that 12. 12 minus 6 is 6. 3 minus 3 is nothing. 41 minus 36. Can't take 6 from 1, so we borrow from the 4, leaving 3, make that 11. 11 minus 6 is 5. 3 minus 3, nothing. 40 minus 36. Can't take 6 from 0, borrow from the 4, leaving 3, make that 10. 10 minus 6 is 4. 3 minus 3, nothing. 39 minus 36. 9 minus 6 is 3. 3 minus 3, nothing. 38 minus 36. 8 minus 6 is 2. 3 minus 3, nothing. 37 minus 36. 7 minus 6 is 1. 3 minus 3 is nothing. Woo! Done with our subtraction. Now we're heading out to our linear measurement of feet, inches, and yards. Let's move our paper up here so you can see. Get rid of some of my cards here so it don't fall off. All right, so here we go. Today is 36. 36 inches. And we know to make feet, it takes 12 of them. So we're going to put that 36 over 12, which is an improper fraction. So we're going to break that apart into whole feet. So let's say 12. And we still have 24 left. So let's go on to another 12. We still have 12 left. 12 plus 12 plus 12 is 36. So that's all of them. We have 1, 2, 3 whole feet. So that's 3 feet. So 36 inches is 3 feet. And when we do yards, it takes 36 inches to make a yard. Voila. We've got all 36. So we have 1 whole yard. So 36 inches is the same as 3 feet, which is the same as 1 yard. How about that? All right, let's go on today to centimeters, meters, decimeters and meters. All right, so here we go. 36 centimeters, which equal, well, it takes 10 centimeters to make a decimeter, so we're going to put it over 10. That's an improper fraction, so we're going to break that one apart into tens. So that's 10, 20, 30, and we have 6. 10, 20, 36, 36 tenths. We broke them all apart so we can see how many decimeters we have. And we have 1, 2, 3, and 6 tenths decimeter. So 36 centimeters is the same as 3 and 6 tenths decimeters, which is the same as 36 hundredths of a meter. So all of those are equal to each other. So we have part of a meter, we have whole decimeters plus a part, and then that's just centimeters. All right, let's move on to our liquid form of measurement. We're going to do standard form first, ounces, cups, and pints. Let's see how we go here before I add my quarts. They might go down lower. I keep on having to move them around if I don't take my time here. So here we go, 36 ounces. It takes 8 ounces to make a cup. And so we have 36 over 8, an improper fraction. If there's a bigger number over a smaller number, that's improper. We're going to break this apart into cups. So we're going to have 8 plus 8 eighths plus 8 eighths. That is 30. No, that's 24. And another one is 32. And 32, 4 more is 36. So we have 36 ounces is the same as 1, 2, 3, 4, and 4/8 cup. So those are equal to each other. And then we're going to put that into pints. Let's see if we have enough room for the pints. So this is 36 over 16 this time. So we know we can get 16 plus 16 is 32 plus 4. So that equals 1, 2, 2 and 4/16 of a pint. All right. Any questions? I hope not. Here we go. Let's go on to metric form. Metric form of liquid measurement. Or no, we're going to go, I forgot. We got to do quarts yet, don't we? Here's the quarts. Quarts and gallons we still have to do. So it takes, let's see, 36 over 32 because it takes 32 ounces to make a quart. So we can break this apart into 32 over 32 plus 4 32s equal 1 and 4 32s of a quart. And then, of course, it takes 128 ounces to make a gallon. So we only have 36 out of that. So we have 36 128ths of a gallon. All right, last but not least, our metric, millimeter, milliliter, and liter. So we have 36 milliliters, which equals 36 thousandths of a liter. Woo, that was a lot today. Hopefully you got it all down and you're cooking. Thank you for joining me. I will see you again. Have a nice day.